What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best treadmill under 200. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the GOPLUS 1100W Folding Treadmill. Are you looking for a space-saver design at a low price? No worries, the GOPLUS 1100W Folding Treadmill is your solution. It requires less space and also easily foldable for storage. There are wheels included for easy carrying purposes. Even you will get a mobile phone holder too. Now the built quality of the GOPLUS 1100W folding treadmill is fantastic with heavy-duty steel materials. Thus, it offers a maximum of 220 pounds of holding capacity. The belt is wide and long, also runs smoothly without creating much noise. Surely, you will get the highest level of comfort as you desired. The LED monitor is fantastic and multifunctional that displays heart rate, scan, speed, distance, time and calories. Your safety will be ensured with the emergency stop button on the handrail. Overall, this best treadmill under 200 is worth buying for the price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Weslo WLTL99315 CARDIOSTRIDE 3.0 treadmill. The Weslo WLTL99315 CARDIOSTRIDE 3.0 treadmill will surely make fit with its incredible performance. The treadmill comes with a fixed 15% incline that will increase calorie burn and reduce joint impact noticeably. The maximum weight holding capacity of the machine is about 250 pounds and more. The design is attractive, and space-saving also. It folds vertically for efficient storage. You can store it in any small area. People who have limited space in their homes can purchase this product without any second thought. The treadmill comes with a large belt that runs smooth and quiet. The display of the treadmill is powerful and easy to read. It tracks speed, time, distance and burned calories perfectly. At number 3, we have the Stamina INMOTION Manual Treadmill. The Stamina INMOTION Manual Treadmill is another excellent product under 200. The treadmill is 46.5 inches wide and 43.5 inches tall. The walking deck is about 42 inches long and wide enough to offer a comfortable experience. The built quality of this budget treadmill is fantastic with top-grade materials. It will surely last several years without any problem. The treadmill offers powerful dual-weighted flywheels and 2 incline positions. The powerful electronic monitor will preciously track time, speed, distance, calories burned and scans. There are wheels included for carrying the machine in less effort. The Stamina INMOTION Manual Treadmill offers a textured and non-slip walking surface and padded foam front and side rails. You don't have to use any electric outlet, so it can use the machine anywhere at any time. For storage, you can easily fold it, and the price is below 200. It is everything for the price, don't miss. At number 2, we have the Phoenix 98516 Easy Up Manual Treadmill. The Phoenix 98516 Easy Up Manual Treadmill is the twin brother of the above Phoenix 98510. They are quite similar to each other, only has some slight differences. Like the above product, this too comes with excellent built quality. It is a product designed to serve you better for years without any issue. The flywheel is heavy-duty and ensures smooth and quiet operation. You don't have to assemble the product as it comes assembled. Furthermore, the product can fold and locks in the upright position for easy storage. There is a single-button electronics monitor included that shows speed, distance, time, and estimated calories. It may seem like I am repeating the same product twice, but I am not. Let me tell you the differences in the product from the above one. The walking surface of this machine is slightly bigger than the above one. Apart from the walking surface and dimension, this is just similar to the above one, great and reliable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Phoenix 98510 Easy Up Manual Treadmill. The treadmill powered by Phoenix Vital Life is another excellent budget killer of the present time. Undoubtedly, the Phoenix 98510 Easy Up manual treadmill will fulfill all your needs with all its features. First, let me tell you about the excellent build quality of the product. It is made with top quality materials so that it can last and serve several years. Over time, the performance will not diminish. The walking surface of the product is about 41 inches x 13 inch, which is fair enough for the perfect walking experience. The heavy-duty weighted flywheel ensures a smooth and quiet operation. The electric treadmill under 200 doesn't require much space. Also, it can be folded easily for storage. You will get a powerful screen that displays speed, distance, time, calories and scan. To achieve maximum walking, jogging speed via self-powered workout, grab the Phoenix 98510 Easy Up manual treadmill before the stock expires. Hurry up! The stock is limited. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.